Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, as you all can see that I was solving the questions from the chapter revision. So today only the word problems from the chapter revision are left, and in total there are 7 word problems. So I am going to explain you one by one each and every word problem. Some of the word problems will be classwork and some will be your homework. So firstly let me read the question number 1. So question number 1 is, Minnie ate 1/4 of a whole cake. What is the fraction of the cake that is left to eat? So there was a cake and she has ate 1/4. 1/4 means in total 4 pieces the cake was divided, and out of those 4 pieces Minnie has ate 1 piece. Okay. Now what is the fraction of the cake that is left to eat? See, there are 4 pieces and out of 4 1 piece is left. Sorry, 1 piece she has ate. So this is the fraction for the shaded portion. Now in the question it is asked, what is the fraction of the cake that is left to eat? Left to eat, how many pieces are left to eat? If you know the answer, you can pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. How many pieces are left to eat? 1, 2, 3. How many pieces are left? 3 pieces are left, so it will be 3/4. What will be the answer? It will be 3/4. Okay students, so what you have to do, I have already told you in any question of fractions, if the fraction for the whole is not given to you, by default you have to consider the fraction for the whole as 1. आप 1 को पूरे, जो किसी भी चीज़ का फ्रैक्शन नहीं दिया तो 1 is going to represent the fraction for the whole. So the first statement will be fraction of the cake ate by Minnie. Fraction of the cake ate by Minnie. She has ate 1/4. Now the next statement would be fraction of the cake left to eat is equals to, total is 1, so 1 minus 1/4. Now once you will take the LCM of 1 and 4, what will be the answer? The answer will be 4. So 1 4s are 4. So 4 minus 1/4 is equals to 3/4. So the fraction which is left to eat is 3/4. I have already explained you this by the help of a figure. So now this is the method which you have to do in the classwork copy. अगर आप चाहें तो वो सर्कल बना के भी you can draw that, but the right answer is this. That is also correct, but this is the proper way to solve this question. ठीक है, वो भी सही है, ये भी सही है, but you have to follow this one. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 2. So question number 2 is, 1/2 of my money is 3,500. Then how much money do I have in total? 1/2 of my money. 1/2 means half, यानी कि जितने पैसे मेरे पास हैं उसका हाफ कितना है? What is half of my money? It is 3,500. Then how much money do I have? मेरे पास कितने पैसे हैं? 1/2 तो आपका हाफ है, right? If I want to know the total, so half plus half is equals to 1, because 1 plus 1 is 2, 2/2 is equals to 1. That means the fraction for the whole is 1 only. और आधे पैसे जब 3,500 है तो टोटल कितने होंगे? How much money do I have in total? If you know the answer, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. So the first statement will be fraction. The first statement will be half of the money is equals to rupees 3,500. Now for the total amount of money, what you have to do, just double the amount. Total amount of money is equals to, just double the amount means 2 into 1/2. आपका 1/2 जो है उसमें आप क्या मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे? हाफ ऑफ द मनी इज 3,500. So 2 multiplied by 3,500. either you double it, that means add it 2 times, या तो आप 2 बार ऐड करेंगे, or else multiply with 2, because half is the amount which is given in the question. You have to find out the full amount. So to find out the full amount, I am multiplying it with 2. 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 2 fives are 10, 2 threes are 6, 7. So the full amount, yani total amount which I have is rupees 7,000. Okay, I hope you have understood, students. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 3. So question number 3 is, in a class party 1/4 of the children ate chocolate ice cream, 1/5 of the children ate vanilla ice cream, the rest of the children ate butterscotch. What fraction of the children ate butterscotch? So my first question from all of you is, what is the fraction which represents the whole class? पूरी क्लास का जो फ्रैक्शन है, इफ़ यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द होल क्लास, व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन रिप्रेजेंटिंग द होल क्लास? द फ्रैक्शन रिप्रेजेंटिंग द होल क्लास इज 1, राइट? So we know that how many students have ate chocolate and how many have ate vanilla flavor. So we have to find out the number of students who have ate butterscotch flavor. Okay, so the first statement would be, fraction of students who ate chocolate ice cream. Okay, not only chocolate, they have ate ice cream. So how many students have ate? 1/4, 1/4 of the whole class, right? यानी कि quarter, 1/4. Now coming to the next one, 1/5 of the children have ate vanilla ice cream. Fraction of the students who ate, now I am not writing the whole statement, vanilla ice cream. Fraction of the students who ate vanilla ice cream. So the answer is 1/5. Now what is the next statement? The next statement is for butterscotch. तो जो बाकी के बच्चे हैं उन्होंने क्या खाई? बटरस्कॉच खाई. तो ये कैसे पता चलेगा? पहले क्या करेंगे आप? फर्स्टली यू हैव टू ऐड दीज टू. यू हैव टू ऐड द चॉकलेट प्लस वनीला. यू हैव टू ऐड द फ्रैक्शन फॉर द चॉकलेट एंड फ्रैक्शन फॉर द वनीला. तो आपको ये टोटल मिल जाएगा. एंड फ्रॉम दिस यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द फ्रैक्शन फॉर द होल. पूरे में से आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो आपको बटरस्कॉच का मिल जाएगा, राइट? देयर वॉज वन एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू बिफोर. सो लास्ट स्टेटमेंट विल बी, fraction of students who ate butterscotch ice cream. For that, what you have to do? Now we know that the total number of students, the fraction representing the total students is 1. So 1 minus, within bracket you have to add chocolate and you have to add vanilla. So 1/4 प्लस 1/5, इससे आपको बटरस्कॉच के फ्रैक्शन मिल जाएगा, राइट? सो 1 minus 1/4 प्लस 1/5. नाउ 4 and 5 आर द डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू फॉर द डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स? यू हैव टू टेक द LCM. सो व्हाट इज द LCM ऑफ 4 and 5? Since 4 and 5 they are co-prime numbers and they do not have any other common factor apart from 1. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is the product of the denominators. So what is the product of the denominators? If you know the answer, please reply to me in the comment section. The product of the denominators is 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. So it will be 1 minus 5 plus 1 upon 20 is equals to 1 minus 4 upon 20. Now 1, it is not having any denominator, by default consider 1 as the denominator. Now what is the LCM of 1 and 20? If you know the answer, no, it's not 5 4, it will be 6, right? यहाँ पे आपका 6 होगा. सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स, 4 5s are 20, 1 5s are 5, यहाँ 5 4s are 20, तो 1 4s are 4, तो यहाँ पे आपका 4 आएगा, राइट? तो 5 plus 4 is 9. So 1 minus 9 upon 20. So since the LCM of 1 and 20 is 20, तो आप 20 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. So 20 minus 9 upon 20. What will be the answer? It is 11 upon 20. So students, question number 4 is Samira spends 1/4 of her money on pens, 1/3 of it on books and 1/12 of it on pencils. What fraction of her money is left with her? So what do we have to do in this question? हमें ये बताना है कि उसके पास कितनी जो है मनी बची है. So what is the fraction representing the whole? अगर आपको नहीं दिया है, so the fraction representing the whole is considered to be 1. So now what will be the first statement of this question? Fraction of money spent on pen. So don't write fraction. Money spent on, let me write that also. Fraction of money spent on pens. So how much she has spent? 1/4. Next statement will be fraction of money spent on books. So how much she has spent on the books? 1/3. Next will be fraction of money spent on pencils. So on pencils how much she has spent? 1/12. अब उसके पास कितने पैसे बचे हैं? What is the fraction of the money left with her? For that what we have to do? आप क्या करेंगे? टोटल में से इन तीनों को ऐड करके सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. फर्स्टली यू विल ऐड दीज 3 एंड देन यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम द टोटल. सो द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विल बी फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मनी लेफ्ट विद हर. सो टू फाइंड आउट दिस, होल का आपका फ्रैक्शन हुआ 1. सो 1 minus 1/4 plus 1/3 and 1/12. Now what is the LCM of 4, 3 and 12? If you know the answer, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Yes, the LCM of 4, 3 and 12 is 12 only. तो जब आप 4, 3 and 12 का LCM लेंगे तो 4 को 12 बनाने के लिए आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 को 12 बनाने के लिए you have to multiply it with 4. तो 12 is already 12. So 3 plus 4 plus 1/12. Now what will be the next step? What is 3 plus 4 plus 1? It is 8/12. क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 1 minus 8/12. So 1 minus 8/12, there is no denominator given. So by default we have to consider 1 as the denominator, right? Now what is the LCM of 1 and 12? It is 12. So multiply it with 12. So 12 minus 8/12, that is 4/12. Now 4 ones are, 4 threes are. At the end of the question, if you are getting a fraction that can be reduced, so you have to reduce it. Okay? So 4 ones are, 4 threes are. So the fraction of money left with her is 1/3. Right, students? So the fraction of money left with her is 1/3. Now question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7 is left. So question number 5 is, a school has 2,500 students. 1/5 of them were absent on Monday. How many of them were present? तो you know the total strength. पिछले क्वेश्चंस में आपको टोटल स्ट्रेंथ नहीं पता थी. Now in this question you know what is the total strength of the school. So out of that total strength on Monday, 1/5 of them were absent. So 1/5 of them की जगह हो जाएगा आपका 1/5 multiplied by 2,500. Now you have to divide it and you will get to know the total number of students who were absent. तो जब आपको absent students मिल जाएंगे, then can you find out the number of students who were present? How many of them were present? So this question is your homework. You have to do it by your own. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 6. Samira ate 1/8 of her pizza in the morning and 3/8 of her pizza in the afternoon. What fraction of her pizza is left? So what you have to do? Total fraction नहीं पता. 1 minus within bracket 1/8 plus 3/8. You have to solve this and then you will get the answer. Now coming to the last question of this exercise, that is question number 7. Priyanka had to walk 5/6 of a kilometer. She walked 2/3 of a kilometer. What fraction of kilometer is left for her to walk? प्रियंका को कितना चलना है? How much she has to walk? 5/6 of a kilometer. कितना चलना है प्रियंका को? 5/6 of a kilometer. Now, how many meters are there in a kilometer? 1000 meter. So 5/6 multiplied by 1000, right? तो 1 किलोमीटर का उसने 5/6 उसको चलना है, पर वो चली कितना है? 2/3. So what fraction of kilometer is left for her to walk? So students, in this question you are not going to convert the kilometers into 1000. अगर आपको simply दिया होता, आपको ये ना बताया होता कि उसने कितना चला है, तब आप ऐसा करते. Now here you know that she had to walk 5/6, and out of that 5/6 how much she has walked? 2/3. तो 2/3 चली है, कितना नहीं चली, वो कैसे निकलेगा? You have to subtract the two fractions. So once you will subtract, you will get the answer. So if there will be any problem in question number 5, 6 and 7, you have to do it in your homework copy. Then you can reply to me in the comment section. I will definitely explain that. So I hope you must have understood the chapter fractions. If there is any problem, any query in this chapter, any point which is missed or anything which you have not understood, please comment down in the comment section. I will explain that particular thing once again. So thank you students. अगर अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करके जाइएगा. Have a great day ahead.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.